Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Dipped in Chocolate, you already know. Guys, I have been away from you guys for a long time, but I am back, and this vlog is one of our usuals. From the title down below, I'll be going to an event and I will be doing my maintenance and bringing you guys with me. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. You see, I still have in my locks. I'm going to try to pull them out from tonight, and then tomorrow the vlog actually starts. So let's see how all that happens. Okay, don't forget to like the vlog. So guys, it's now another day. I'm trying to pull out my locks. I literally just got some of the front done. I really need help with the rest of it because I have an appointment at 6:30 and it's now I think after 12. So it's hard to pull up because I just did this row in like 2 hours, like literally 2 hours or 1.5 hours. It's really hard to pull out. I really need help. Come and help me, sis. Anyway, this month I just focus on this. Sometime I finish pulling out the hair and I'm about to shower and wash my hair. I'll get back to y'all. So hey guys, sorry that I did not show you guys when I was washing my hair, but I'm kind of in rush a little bit because I wanna go get my hair done today, and I want to be on time or a little bit before time so that if anything was to come up or if traffic up on the road, anything, I am not late or whatever. But right now I'm just carrying my hair to the back. I hope it's flat enough. Guys, one thing about me, I'm going to carry my hair before I reach the hairdresser because I don't like when people on my head. So my natural hair, I'm really sensitive about it. So I'm going to try my best to know how to deal with my natural hair. Like if I'm going to do any natural hairstyles or anything, or somebody will know, or me I do it because I can say to them, oh wait, relax, this too tight, or relax, give me a break because I'm very tender headed. So I always try to curl my hair before going to the hairdresser. I'm not sure if I'm doing such a good job because my finger them cut, my 2 index finger them cut, so I had to put tape on it because I now know somebody. I have no band-aid, so I had to put tape on it so that it don't bruise up even more. So I just go continue curling my hair, go back, and then after I finish curling my hair, go back, I'm going to come back to you. I'm trying to vlog every step of the way because I have other vlogs, but I did not vlog every step of the way while doing some activities or going out, so the vlog just feels incomplete, so therefore I did not post it. But right now I'm going to just finish my hair and get back to y'all. That's my best turn. Period poo, period honey. Get into it, honey. So guys, underneath I done curling my hair. Just drop on my bonnet, about to get my girl to drop me off. Oh, look at my mouth. Why didn't you tell me that my mouth look like this?
I'm just like, I'm always working on my birthday. You know, I can't do shit because I'm pregnant, but damn. They got, oh girl.
So guys, I just pulled up to my hairdresser. I'm walking upstairs to get my hair salon, honey. So guys, I'm reaching the shop. It's 6:30 because remember my appointment was 6:30. When we're going to the shop, 5 women before me, everybody are looking at my face like them I say, when them are gonna finish them ear or whatever. So the agent said to me, she was like, oh, I forgot. What you mean you forgot, honey? But anyways, somebody applied the wig cap on my head and I waited for my hair to get done. So I'm not gonna talk too much in the video, but you know, y'all gonna listen to some music and enjoy the vlog.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is the one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is the one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So guys, after all of that, like I literally, like she did a really good job, but the time moment did have to wait to get my hair done is ridiculous. So I was there from like 6:30. I was there from 6:30 and what time now? 11:58. I'ma just reach my yard. Literally 12 o'clock in the morning. That's crazy. So she did a really good job, but the ass is too long. It was just too long. You see me? So I really love the hair. It's 26 inches. I love the color. She did a really good job. Like this looks like a sewing, like that ass look like a sewing instead of a wig. So I'll be showing you guys my outfit for tomorrow. It's nothing too much. It's just a cool type of vibe. I don't know what me call cool and maybe not cool for Uno, what Uno call cool, maybe not cool for me. But I think it's a cool type of vibe. So just stay tuned. I'll be doing my own makeup. Cause I know say I'm on my little makeup journey. So just stay tuned for my makeup and just stay tuned for the outfits and the whole experience. Don't forget to like, because you know it's about to be a really nice video. Hey guys, I am back. Jesus Christ, look like me, I forgot to fix up my edges, but I am back. I just finished one of my, maybe I eat some food. I cook some, before I talk about that, let us digress a little bit. So I cooked some cabbage and saltfish and some, what is the name? Come like pork, but it, yeah, that we cook and it tastes so good. Like I'm a chef. Anyway, so right now I'm about to do my makeup. I forgot to ask my friend to borrow our flat iron, because the flat iron with me, TMI my guys, too much information, but still I tell you, my flat iron I'm up too small and I want my hair to look silky. Yes, honey. So I just do my friend here, I'm gonna show you. Like I literally can put on wig by myself. Like why me put on wig by myself? Actually, never you know say I'm not face on myself. But anyways, because I know it looks so good, so I'm gonna show you that. Plus, I'm gonna do my makeup right now. I do one cut crease, but I never do one cut crease before, so I'm gonna trust myself. Right now, after 12, and then some to get ready by 1. Don't say that. I'm not gonna be ready by 1. Don't be delusional, honey. Never be early for nothing. Anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup, straighten my hair, take a shower. What should I do? Should I bathe first? No, I mean I bathe after. I'll sight the water out of my face and my hair. Yeah, maybe after. What do you think? Maybe after. So I'm gonna do my makeup right now. Something simple. Well, not really. But anyways, I made a do it, so you know I go too extra because I don't know how for really mother and beat my face. Let's see. So guys, we are at the venue. I have to show you my fit. Like my fit went hard, honey. It went hard. So I'm gonna show you my OOTD. OOTN, I mean.
Baby daddy, you're not for rough on a belly. No fun and no girl and be no streaky. Be a good girl. One man be say, yeah, baby. Enough man alone, you put them on. You know what's in nobody else, but you ever the one word you say you can say. Anything we do, but we on my time, me not for the people. Anything we do, but we on my time, me not to please you. Smile in my night, but you love me, Miss Pretend to be my wicked. Miss Hollywood, my body good, my African getting money comes true. Don't get this. She got a picture, never chicken, never got a boo. Let me know one touch, no man a star. Tell me what you celebrate me and you. Yeah, she got a boxy. Nobody knows it, but we gotta be true. You're in my life, boy. Oh, independent lady. Na 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 na. Be nice, you gotta wear me clothes in a real life. Now scratch my number, feel like. We can't buy some drink when you feel like. No matter where you go, they call me alright. We're just a plus and a one, nothing on night. The shit you free out, just stand on your nice side. Give me like feel like. Me, I ain't got myself. Drink up a vodka like say it's free. See everybody else sing along with me. You know what I can, but I can't watch me.
Feel that type of, and the drugs that me feel okay. Will you follow? I mean, I tell us somebody violent. We can't show you happy. You see anything when you can learn. And time don't teach. So enough good and I still fucking me. These are better than that. So watch your friends there. And the Kelly have been. Wolfton Chiefs have been a trusting team. Now for two cut because the real steering. Remember second not sleep. Come and get help. Till my heart don't feel no pain. But I feel no type. And the drugs that me feel okay. We live on. You fuck up our this. Life full of lessons, I'm still learning. I am jump, come here, hold that. Fuck a girl in line. Be a good man with 1,000 teeth. Look how much you pin on board for your bees. Better days, hold that teeth. Be a someone more by. Drop 9 full speed, my squeeze. Money I tell you what passes. I'm a wanting love. Let me love. Me have to put up a fight that to me straight. I tell I'm pregnant, man. If the pussy down, would they have to rain? Could have been another chain. Still I hate to my dance on the chain till the day night. I'm there for the day. Give my heart to some people.
So the party done and I have meat and blood clot great. Sorry guys, sorry to curse the bad word. I'm just...
Wait, one person I miss.
No. Well, she alright. She must have done.
Oh, that's why I'm a call off the class and I want to go and say, wicked girl. That's so nice. Where do you have them in there?
No, can't. Hey guys, so this is the day after and I am home safe, everything nice. If I was to give you a review of the event, I would give the event a 7 out of 10. The reason being, like, I didn't know when the performance was supposed to happen, but I heard that it was supposed to be before 3 o'clock. I heard that the promoter, I don't even know if it's the promoter, the producer of the artist, them intentionally make the artist them go on the stage late or whatever. But you see, after the artist them finish perform, the party basically done, because I heard the DJ say we have 5 more minutes. That sound like a fun day, bro. Me not like that. That sound like a fun day. Anyways, the artist them never get to perform like the full song. One time 450 up on the stage and he was getting upset with the DJs. Me see that happen a lot of time, but seeing that it is basically his show, I never really expect them to cut him so and tell him about time. We're supposed to get a full 3 hours or 2.5 hours or 2 hours the least with him on the stage. I perform and I do certain things on the stage and I show we, you know, brace. You know, I expected a lot more from the artist. Vanessa Bling do her thing. The show wasn't really about her, so me never have a problem with fair performance. When it comes to 450, I expect more. I expect him to bring up people on the stage. I expect him to talk more, you know, not only singing but go on with himself, bring up other artists on the stage. Like I expected his performance to be like a 3-hour performance, and like I literally expected that, or even 2 hours. It was basically like a 45 minutes. I see him going with things like I see him come down the beat and him dance with some girls, him take pictures and this and that, but I don't know, I felt it was rushed. I reached about after 2 I got 3 o'clock, and then, you know, I bought something to drink, and then I got chill a little bit with my friend them, and then my ear sorry Vanessa Bling about to perform. I didn't go to the front when it was Vanessa Bling performing, but stay at a distance where I can vlog film. When 450 I perform, I go up more because Riante, I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna vlog more. But it was really nice though. I think it should have been longer, but you know, just comment down below and tell me what you think about it. Also, you can comment on my hair and my clothes. My romper thingy was from Fashion Nova. My slippers was from Guess, and my hair is from Be Fin Hair Amazon store. So I'm gonna leave my hair, where I got my hair from, and my clothes and my shoes down in the description down below. My jewelry and everything from Shein. Yeah, I'm not lie, I angle the whole outfit because your girl never miss yet. Never miss. And that's things we play. We will say. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when the girl Chocolate uploads another video. Signing out.